Hi, I'm Mike Svob, and today I want to talk about why bother going outside to paint plein air. Now, when I say why bother, it's comfortable in your studio, there's no bugs, the refrigerator's close, you can get a refreshment, the bathroom's there, you're not going to have animals running into your stuff, etc., etc. There's a lot of reasons it's more comfortable to paint in your studio, okay? So why bother to go outside? Well, I'm going to give you the version that I've always gone by, and then I'll talk a little bit about the others. But for me, I started out painting plein air outside. Back in the early 80s, I used to take my little watercolor kit, about this big, put it on the back of my 10-speed bike, and go out and paint for 4 and 5 hours at a time. And I really like doing that. I do these little watercolors about this big, and then I'd come back, and any that I really liked, I would learn eventually to turn them into bigger paintings. So, I'd go out, sit on a rock. I didn't even have an easel. I had, everything fit in a little container like this, and I would do them quickly. I learned to do that. And then, that's where it started for me. Now, over the years, I've seen it go full circle many times, from plein air being in vogue to plein air being out of vogue to being back in vogue and out of vogue, now it's back in vogue. But anyway, that's another issue. Why bother to go outside? When you go outside to paint, you will learn to make things simpler than they are in reality. You'll learn to see color and value the way they are in reality. Cameras are a poor second choice, all right? They're the best choice other than being there, but they're a poor second choice to being there. Now, I had periods of my life where I had time and I could go out and paint. Like I remember one year I had the whole month of April. And I live on the West Coast, so I've got the whole month of April. I'm all excited. I'm going to go out and paint for the whole month. It rained 30 days straight. So I learned to go out, and I went anyway. I said, I'm going every day. And I'd put the back of the van up. I had one of those vans at that time with the back door comes up, and I'd sit there under the canopy of the van and paint outside. And I learned a bunch of good things. One of the things I learned is that acrylic never dries. So I could paint all day long with wet techniques like watercolor. Now, how many good paintings did I do in 30 days? Not very many. But I did learn a lot. I learned about the paint. I learned about painting in the rain, doing all kinds of things. And that's always what I found with plein air painting. It teaches me things about, painting in the rain in that case, but also about how much time to spend on a painting. I've always figured outside, plein air painting, I've got about an hour, so it forces you to simplify the process. You don't paint really complicated things. You try to get the big picture in. That's a good practice as an artist. So it teaches you to be a better artist. Now, when you take that into the studio, some of that, you use in the studio. You paint faster, you find you keep it simpler, you get a better, simpler product, right, than when you're outside or inside. But one of the other things that I want to mention is there's this kind of religion, or orthodoxy is probably a better word. There's this orthodoxy about painting plein air, and you go outside and somehow it's a better piece because it was done outside. I really don't subscribe to that. I don't care where the painting was painted, really, whether you painted outside or inside. In the end, I always judge a work by what it looks like. I don't care actually how you did it, where you did it, and your motivation for doing it. All I care about is what it looks like and what it says to me. So that's the way I look at artwork. But some people think better paintings, virtually a religious kind of thing. It's a spiritual experience. You're painting outside, and that's good. Nothing wrong with that. I like being outside. That's why I became an artist all those years ago, where I told you on the bike, I could take off and go work outside. I love being outside, but painting outside is not a religion to me. Painting outside is just part of being an artist, and it's part of collecting material. It gives me the chance to look at everything around me, to get a better understanding of it, and I try to encapsulate that into my art. But as far as the religion goes, not so much. I hope you found this information useful. Now, I have a handout called How to Fix Your Painting, and you can get it by clicking on the link below. Thank you for watching.